Are you getting into trouble because every time you get a text message, people near you can read it on your iPhone's lock screen? Well, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will teach you how to hide your text messages on your iPhone's lock screen. First, go to your settings and from there, tap Notification. Now, from here, search for Messages application, tap on it, and from here, you can customize your Messages app. Now, go to Show Previews. As you can see, it's on Always, so that means people can read my message even if my phone is locked, but I don't want people to read it, so for that, we need to choose the middle one, which says When Unlocked. Now you will only get a notification of your text message, but in order to read it, you need to unlock your phone. And if you select Never, then you will be able to read your message only when you open your message application. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.